know you'll be coming. I'll be gentle, baby, I'm gonna be gentle when I'm loving you. When I'm loving you, when I'm loving you, wanting to please you. When you're lying next to me, baby girl, you got me calling out your name. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'll be gentle. Please be very gentle. When I'm loving you, baby, baby, baby. When I'm loving you, yeah. I never won't stop loving you, girl. So don't you ever stop being in my world. I never wanna quit loving you, boy. So don't you ever stop giving me joy. I never wanna stop loving you, girl. So don't you ever stop being in my world. I never wanna stop loving you, girl. So don't you ever stop being in my world.
Hey, what you talking about, girl? Oh no. Mean you're feeling lonely? Come on, you can talk to me, you know that. When you're down and broken hearted, you know you got someone you can talk to, yeah. You don't have to feel lonely. Come and let me hug you, darling. Wanna feel if you're for real. I have this plan, but I'm not gonna tell you. It's something that you should know. It's really, really, real. Free your heart, my love, and come to me. Feel it, baby. I will be the one to set you free. Whoa, whoa. Free your heart, my love, and come to me. Wanna tell you about it, baby. I will be the one to set you free. They say that love is a funny game, but I love the way you play it. Yes, I do. You need someone you can talk to. So here I am, here I am. You can tell me how you feel inside. Well, you got my mind in a spin. Oh, darling, I'm opening my door so you can walk right in. Free your heart, my love, and come to me. I wanna tell you about it, baby. I'll be the one to set you free. Yeah, baby. Free your heart, my love, and come if you said I didn't love you, but girl, you knew
I can't live without you.
see you. Yes, I wake up every morning just for you. And I'll love you day and night. Let me hold you, baby. Hold you tight. You're my L-O-V-E.
You are my love.
My love. L-O-V-E. My love.
Are you a loving man? I'll let you tell your story in your plan.
You I understand if you ever need somebody to hold your hand. And baby, if you demand to never ever love nobody, for you I can. You're my L-O-V-E.
You are my love.
My love, girl, you are my L-O-V-E. My love, want you every morning. Girl, I need you every morning and every night. I need you,
I need you.
I want you,
I want you.
got to have your love.
Gotta have you now.
Oh, darling, oh, honey, oh, I got to have you. I need you,
I need
oh,
you.
I want you,
I want you.
I need you, baby.
I need you, baby.
You are my
On the first day of school, yeah, my very first day, I was peeping at the girls through my dark shades, doing the view and seeing the scenes when I saw a young lady in skin-tight jeans. I said, hey baby, as she walked past, but the bell was ringing loud, had to get to class. Later that day, I saw her once more, and I kinda took a slowly across the floor. Asked for her name, she paused for a few, said her name is Leslie, what can I do for you? Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon said. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon said. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon said. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon. The school day was over, home all alone. I heard the ding-a-ling of the telephone. Hello, who's calling? She said, it's me. I asked, who's me? She said, Leslie. I said, I'm coming over. She said, no, wait. I asked her why, you have another date? She said, I'm just here with a friend. Then I thought I heard the voice of my man Ken and my man Dan and his boy Ted. They were all screaming, let's back to bed. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon said. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon said. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon said. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Lay. Oh boy, you got to say Simon. 2 weeks later, been hopping from jock to jock, and she wasn't satisfied till she rocked the whole block. Wear red hats, she knows you'll see her. Got more moves than any wide receiver. Her lips were everything her brain could be. First she freaked you, then she freaked me. Every time I saw her, she was ready like Freddy. But my name is Boy White, not Eddie Spaghetti. So Leslie not the type of girl that I marry. Working and jerking every Tom, Dick, and Harry. Man, if you want that, you get no static. Just get her in the crib, it's almost automatic. Ow! Yo, take off your clothes for me, Len. Oh boy, you got to say Simon Says. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Len. Oh boy, you got to say Simon Says. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Len. Oh boy, you got to say Simon Says. Yo, take off your clothes for me, Len. Oh boy, you got to say Simon. This is my due, I say to you, of a girl who starves for whoop-de-doo. What I say is true, just ask the crew, cause they had legs and you can too.
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, what's happening tonight, man? I'm gonna check out a few skis over there, you know what I'm saying? Yo, man, I've seen a lot of skis in this place tonight, man. I know, I'm ready for the wild thing, you know what I'm saying? And it goes a little something like this.
Some say it's an art, some say it's a shame. You would give me your body before your name, but I'm a jigger high and I'm a jigger low. I'm a jigger wherever it you go. So later on, don't act like you don't know. When I pick out the freaks in the front row, I'm the rapper J, that's the rapper S. We're known for playing tag team sex. When I get you in the house, you know what I do. Well, let me tell you a story that's definitely true. When I came to the party, I was by myself. 9 times out of 10, I'm leaving someone else. It's something about the way I rock the microphone. The ladies in the place wanna take me home, stretch me out all along the couch, and show me what your loving is all about. So when I get 'em, then I let 'em. I throw my jammy on the top and then I wet 'em. Cause I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. I rock feed in the freak after every show. Cause I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. How do you know? Because I told you so. Now the lover of many, I just may be, but I'll never touch another man's property. So if you got a little mama, you wanna keep her neat, to keep the little girl off my street. Because if she comes knocking at my door, it's my duty to give her what she came there for. What can I say? That's the life I live. Now how's your wife and my kids? Cause I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. I rock feed in the freak after every show. Cause I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. How do you know? Because I told you so. Now if I knock on your door, you should open it up. You wanna know who it is, the neighborhood. This rockin' freak all through the week. Now when I say freak, I mean the ones with the sneaks. I mean the ones with the nerve, the ones with the guts to call me a hoe when they're giving it up. So I think it's about time you all learn the lesson. Slut bust, this is our new profession. Cause I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. I rock feed in the freak after every show. Cause I'm a hoe, you know I'm a hoe. How do you know? Because I told you so. Now if I knock on your door, you should open it up. You wanna know who it is, the neighborhood. This rockin' freak all through the week. Now when I say freak, I mean the ones with the sneaks.
touching my body and talking to me like I'm a kindergarten. Today she's on mine, tomorrow she's on his. But don't worry about me, because I know what time it is. Time to get mine while you try to get yours. I'll get my paws in those silky drawers. Try to take me to the cleaners and I got a trick, cause all you're ever gonna get is a piece of my did-it-it. Didn't you know that my girlie, my toe, is easy to come and harder to go? Hope you got a good heart and you're a good sport, cause I'ma treat you like we were on a basketball court. I'm gonna run you around, take you up and down, turn you out and leave you in the lost and found. So if you wanna be down, then listen up, miss. Before you're dealing with me, you better know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Some girlies are pretty, some girlies are fine, but most girlies like to play with your mind. They like sporting new gold and riding in cars, and most of them, they don't care who you are. They're materialistic and unrealistic, and to most of them, you're nothing but another statistic. Who's ever got the money? They're all on his, but y'all can save it for David, cause I know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Check the clock! Put your Gucci watch on and synchronize the time and let's rock. Girls for me come a dime a dozen, and that's why I never ever was in a situation where I could get jerked. I'm like a mechanic, all I do is body work. Want my money? You must be a fool, cause like Billy Idol said, I'm gigolo cool. Mo-D, that's me, introduce yourself, miss, but don't try to be slick, cause I know what time it is. Time to make sure that the girlies stay poor, string them out so they will always want more. Don't come around here and try to get richer. Don't ask me for no money, cause baby, bitch, you don't know me from a can of paint. And I bet you think I'm frontin', but I tell you I ain't. And I bet you think you know, but I tell you like this, I bet you don't know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? It's time to get money, time to get paid. When it's time to have fun, it's time to get laid. I like the front like I'm poor, I don't drive instead. I'll be chillin' in a Jetta with my man napping red, riding all around the city and half the world. And after talking from girl to girl, all you ladies seem to sing the same old song. It makes it hard for me when a real girl comes along. Now I'm a veteran, a girl all pro, and as many as I had, I still don't know. So I made a little system so I can tell. Doesn't always work, but what the hell? Don't ask me for nothing, and don't give me nothing, and keep it like that for about a whole month and a half, and I'll laugh. And maybe one day, miss, maybe you can be down. Maybe you can be down. Maybe you should be down, because you know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Check the clock! Put your Gucci watch on and synchronize the time and let's rock.
Is very slow, potent and sleazy. Gotta chip on the wood like Jamaicans. Just easy. And my DJ is very scary. He has a multitude of cuts and he's also very alert and model to things that are new, containing a meaning, a moral, or what have you. I'll rap hard, sing like Rigoletto, and we shall acclaim fame right in the ghetto. And how can anyone take you out? Nah, I thought you might have lost it. What? Well, I'm a DJ in the bed. 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 But now I should think you might remember the faces. I'm bunch of rockin' behind me. 10 paces is a individual who's happy and gallant, a remarkable producer who's showing his talent. Playing synthesizers, making musical chords. We'll be sitting next to Janet at the Grammy Awards. And all the stars will never figure out why a rapper like me is filling up Janet's thighs. And I will be rubbing elbows with Frank Sinatra, cause when I perform, I gotcha.
Well, I'm a DJ innovator. 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 Well, I'm a DJ innovator.
The record sounds hard as Gibraltar, and when he does a scratch, he get onto the pitch, the style, and go berserk and wild. It will linger, cause of the secrets all in his fingers. He had to show his talent sooner or later. He's how it's either hit man or DJ innovator.
Well, I'm a DJ innovator. Well, I'm a DJ innovator. Well, I'm a DJ innovator. Well, I'm a DJ innovator. Well, I'm a DJ innovator. Well, I'm a
Just easy. Just
days later, go see the doctor. I was walking down the street, rocking my beat, clapping my hands and stomping my feet. I saw a little lady so neat and petite. She was so sweet, yes, I wanted to meet her. So I asked this lady, could I take her out? We could wine and dine and talk about the birds and the bees in my water bed. And you could treat me like a Buddha and bow your head. We continued to talk, and before you knew it, we were at my house and it was time to do it. As soon as I finished, I lost my poise, ran outside and told all my boys. I said, listen up, fellas, come over here, bust it. They said, did you get it? I said, yeah. They said, how was it? The boom thing was dope, and you know that I rocked her. But 3 days later, go see the doctor. I rocked her to the left, rocked her to the right. She felt so good, hugged me so tight. I said goodnight. 3 days later, woke up fussing, yelling and cussing, drip, drip, dripping and puss, puss, pussing. I went into the bathroom and said, Mamma Mia, I'ma kill that girl next time I see ya. The madder I got, the more I reminisce. why is my thing burning like this? Well, I remember the first day I saw that girl. I just couldn't wait to rock her world. I said, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? Whatever, done stuck my duckin'. Now I know why her ex-boyfriend Dave calls her Mrs. Microwave, cause she was hotter than an oven, and I had to learn the hard way. Stay in a microwave too long, you get burned. But the poontang was dope, and you know that I rocked her. But 3 days later, go see the doctor. I went to the doctor's office, I said, what have I got? He said, turn around, boy, and take this shot. I looked at him like he was crazy, and I said, what? Ain't nobody sticking nothing in my butt. He turned and said, in a real deep voice, have it your way, if that's your choice, and I'll put it down if you want me to put it. But don't blame me if it turns into a foot extended from the middle of your body. And the next time you see a cute hottie, you won't be able to screw. The only thing you can do is just kick her, so go take karate. As I turned around to receive my injection, I said next time I'll use some protection. If I see another girl and I get an erection, I'm walking in the other direction. Cause I don't wanna do the 6-6 dance, so I'm keeping my prick inside my pants. And if I see another girl and I know I can rock her, before I push up, I'll make her go see the doctor.
Park, like Plymouth Rock, Birch Street and Sunnyside, like Sabrina Park and Brookfield, East Oakland, yeah, that's right. 5 years ago, I continued to rock, and if you hadn't yet heard my name, it was all in the paper on the evening news. I was stone cold in the game. Around that time, a friend of mine, my homeboy Lionel B, hooked me up like this, y'all. On stage, just rocking the beat. Too short, too short, too short, don't stop that rap. Too short, too short, too short, don't stop that rap. Too short, too short, too short, don't stop that rap. Too short, too short, too short, don't stop that rap. 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 Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Too short, don't stop that rap. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Too short, don't stop that rap. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Benz is roll, Beamer jet. Too short, don't stop that rap.